The phenomenon of a house for internet stars to live together and collaborate isn't new. Before these TikTok mansions, there was Team 10, Face House, and the Sidemen House, but new houses for TikTok celebrities are popping up all the time. That's why in this video, we are going over the top 5 biggest TikTok mansions in 2021. But before we get started, can you please drop a like on this video, as it helps us out massively, and also make sure to subscribe too, so you never miss an upload. With that out of the way, let's roll. Number 5. The Bytehouse. First up is the Byte Squad, the group regarded as having the first TikTok house in the UK. It consists of 6 members under the age of 22 who moved into the house at the end of March 2020. Their videos are a mix of cosplaying well-known characters, prank pulling, and dancing. Although it hasn't been revealed exactly where the house is located, we do know that it's somewhere in outer London. Based upon average house prices in these areas, for 5 to 6 beds with a small garden, their house could be valued at anything from 1.2 to 1.8 million. Number 4. The Sluv House. The Sluv House is a 9,000 square foot content house that was spearheaded by Michael Lay, aka Just Maiko, and Spencer X. Its member list now includes Michael Wee, Javier Romero, Matthew Gonzalez, John Klassen, and Alyssa Joy. Their TikTok videos prominently feature Jonathan Lee, Michael's 7-year-old brother, who has a couple 100,000 social media followers himself. The 5 million plus mansion features 9 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms, 2 pools, 1 indoor and 1 outdoor, and a movie theater. The exact location of the property hasn't been released, but we can safely say it is somewhere in LA. Number 3. The Sway House. The Sway House is famous for being a big rowdy group of TikTok guys who just can't stay out of trouble, whether it's drug charges or repeated fines and subsequent criminal charges for their repeated parties during lockdown period. They're always doing something stupid to get themselves in the news. The house is made up of young men with boy band good looks and insanely chiseled physique, who occupy its many rooms, are apparently assigned quotas that they have to hit in order to stay in the house rent-free. The 7,800 square foot mansion in Bel Air consists of a huge outside swimming pool, 9 bedrooms, 10 bathrooms, multiple balconies, and a lift. The estimated worth of this property is around $9 million. Number 2. The Hype House. The Hype House is the OG TikTok house, previously being called home by Addison Rae, Charlie D'Amelio, and Dixie D'Amelio, amongst various other super famous stars. During its peak in membership, it had 21 members, until the founding member, Daisy Keach, left in March 2020. Current members of the house are influencers such as Bryce Hall and Chase Hudson. With 12,500 square feet of space, 10 bedrooms, and 12 bathrooms, the place is absolutely huge. Plus, having built in 2012, it features a lift game room, theater, elevator, gym, and a massive pool. The estimated worth of this LA-based mansion is $12 million. Number 1. Clubhouse Beverly Hills. If anything is testament to the fact that these people have far too much money for what they do, it's the Clubhouse, which is currently worth a whopping $23 million. The group consists of Daisy Keach, the founder of the previously mentioned Hype House, Abby Rayo, Marana Moray, Leslie Golden, Chase Keith, Kinsey Wolanski, Jay Laurent, and Pedro Pertal. They have been renting the property for $49,000. So what makes this house worth so much? Well, it's 12,000 square feet, has 7 bedrooms, and 9 bathrooms, and it includes various special rooms such as a library, private cinema, and wine cellar. Don't hate them yet? They've also got a huge swimming pool, and all of their members made at least $1.5 million from various brand deals last year. So, these are the 5 biggest TikTok mansions. Let us know in the comment section whether you like these type of videos. Be sure to drop a like and subscribe to Factatus so you never miss an upload.